Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent. And you know what, guys? I feel that I have not given this as much information as I should have. Polkadot is a serpent favorite, the ecosystem, what it's building, the way that what they're going about business. It has traded sideways now for a couple of months, and that was the main reason why I hadn't really brought it up again. But it is now ready, set to get to $70, and I want to bring it up today, give you guys some information about it. I've been involved with Polkadot since it was $5, and I know some of you out there in the community have been involved for way before then. I've been in since November 2020, and the ecosystem of Polkadot, what it's building, it is truly amazing, and I do feel that it is definitely one to look out for as we continue this bull run. And there are some predictions out there of a $300, $350 Polkadot by the end of the bull run, simply because of its ecosystem and just how good Polkadot really is. And so I wanted to bring it up. It has not been brought up for at least 2 months on the channel, and I feel that it's now is the time to talk about it. At the time of making this, we're sitting at $33.38. Obviously it dipped like all the others did, but it is now ready, set to go to 70 and beyond. So I wanted to bring up a graph. For those of you that are not aware of Polkadot, and you're just starting your research on Polkadot, I mean, check out this ecosystem. It is absolutely phenomenal how many things are being built and are continuing to be built on the Polkadot blockchain. Absolutely phenomenal, from infrastructure to validators to tooling to wallets to substrate-based applications in all aspects. So you are getting into something that is way bigger than just DeFi or just cross blockchain or tracking. It is truly an incredible system, the Polkadot system. And so it is very exciting, to be sitting today talking about Polkadot at $33 when I know that in the not too distant future, by 2022, we could see this thing, in the $300 mark, So definitely the purpose of these videos is to give you just enough information for you to go and then create and then, go out there, research it for yourself. There is a Polkadot Decoded event coming up, which is an all online event. And it's all to do with Polkadot, its infrastructure, its system and everything about it. So it goes May 19th to May 20th. And it's really cool to see a star-studded lineup of all these speakers, all these particular events that are happening on May 20th on the main stage. These are the topics that are going to be discussed. And then it's going to be community talk throughout the whole thing. I love these type of platforms and these type of events because you get to pick and choose what you want to talk about, which events you want to see, and you just book in for that. So register for them. Like I said, it's a star-studded lineup because the Polkadot system is truly an incredible system. I'll give you an example. PolkaSwitch is what the purpose of PolkaSwitch is. It's going to be building a decentralized exchange aggregator for both Ethereum and Polkadot. So if you want to do that, like if you want to, Ethereum token users and Polkadot token users, PolkaSwitch will be able to be, connecting people and connecting these systems. And this is just the beginning, like if you go on PolkaSwitch, you can check it out. You can see how many followers it's got, cross-chain liquidity built for traders, powered by Polkadot, coming soon. It joined December 2020, and just keep an eye out. Hit the follow button on it, hit the alarm bell when new information comes across. Check it out. It is at seed funding stage at the moment, and it is just simply fantastic, the Polkadot infrastructure system and the kind of things that have been built on it. There is something else as well which has come across my attention as well, and that is Nervos, that is currently at 2 cents and top 111th out there. I will be doing more research on it and then bring you guys information. If you do know stuff about Nervos and why we should be considering it, hit the comments and tell us, if you've ever even heard of it, what it is, how does it work, and what your thoughts are on it. But certainly they're making their own case study around how Polkadot and Nervos are different. They have put Polkadot in number 2 and then themselves at number 1. Of course, when you talk about your team, of course you're gonna say that it is better. But I will be doing more research on it. It kind of seems like they're trying to be another Polkadot or maybe the new Polkadot, but I will be doing more research on it and bring it to you guys. I never bring you something that A, I don't have skin in the game in, and B, I haven't heavily researched. I'm just not going to do that. This isn't that type of channel. And so I'm telling you a little bit about it, but I will be doing way more research before a video gets made about it. So very, very important for you guys to know that everything is heavily researched before you guys find out about it. Polka Cover, it will integrate with Chainlink. So Polka Cover is the blockchain insurance company built on the blockchain system of Polkadot. And so all these services and different companies are starting to come out. It's a decentralized insurance solution built on the Polkadot infrastructure system. And these things are just going to start to come out again and again and again. And that's why I'm saying that the entire cryptocurrency world is coming to the masses. All these things are coming out. Blockchains are now being used for real case studies, for real life purpose. And so more and more people are going to start to get involved. There is a current stablecoin that I'm looking into, which gives you 20% annual returns on your savings account. So all these things are coming, and it is super, super fantastic. Again, standard protocol partners, Patrick Lab, another system, being built on the Polkadot system. So again, super exciting, and this could go. I could go on and on and on. Literally, I could go on for 2 hours to go over all the cool things that are being built on the Polkadot system. The more things get built on the Polkadot system, the more the value of the Polkadot token rises. And so fantastic opportunity right now at these prices, which is crazy. So Pink Node, Polkadot's superhighway network, is currently underway. It is under infrastructure. Updates are happening on it. It will bring Web 3.0 revolution. And if you haven't looked at Web 3.0, I suggest you start to look at Web 3.0. And again, you'll be amazed with what you see. TradingView.com at the moment do have Polkadot on a sell. So based on, there could be a little bit more dip before it goes up. But from my point of view, I don't see that being the case. But, sometimes TradingView and I do argue. So what's going on from here? So you can see kind of what the pattern has been, for a while now. I mean, it's been since probably mid-February that we haven't gone really too many times above the $40. We've sort of been sitting in this channel, which is 40 to 28 to maybe even 25. So we've been sort of sitting there and bouncing up and down. But now we're ready for that breakout, and the next breakout will be $55 and before it continues and moves forward to 70 and beyond. So entries, good entry point to signal a bull run is $35.50. Next target 40, and then next target 45, and then beyond that, if it breaks 45, it will be 55. That will be the next point. But I do see this being an opportunity to 2x and go and this going to 70. I really do. So from here, this is kind of the channel that we've been building. We dipped below this particular channel for just a few days, but now we're back. We've retested it. We're up again. And so for me personally, this is an opportunity to, at the very least, get Polkadot at this price and move to $52, depending on what your strategy is and what you're up to. But I think $75 is definitely on its way. From a structure point of view, this was the signal that we were looking for it to start to go up. We're looking at the volume, and we're looking at this right now, and I think that this is the exact same signal that happened last time, and so I think this thing is ready to pop. From there, where do we go? So we go up, we got a resistance at 39, we got a resistance at 48, but I see this $32 to $30 being a very strong support for the next move. So at 48, we could bounce to 39 before we kick off and go to 60. But some great opportunities happening long term with Polkadot. Don't sell Polkadot too early, because it is really going to be very, very, very exciting what's going to happen over the next couple of months in the Polkadot system, and long term into 2022, Polkadot and the entire ecosystem of Polkadot is set to be legendary. So thank you so much. If you did learn something new today, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. For all you Polkadot fans, we're back on the Serpent channel. I cannot wait to bring you more updates as Polkadot bull run continues.